How to express likes. How to express likes. I love soccer. I love soccer. I am really into cricket. I am really into cricket. I live for cricket. I live for cricket. Cricket is my thing. Cricket is my thing. I am crazy about basketball. I am crazy about basketball. I like hot dog. I like hot dog. It is so delicious. It is so delicious. I like to read books by Shakespeare. I like to read books by Shakespeare. Sophia enjoys running on the beach. Sophia enjoys running on the beach. I enjoy this peace and quiet. I enjoy this peace and quiet. I love eating chicken. I love eating chicken. I love learning spoken English. I love learning spoken English. Rahul loves the program on TV. Rahul loves the program on TV. I really like walking on the beach. I really like walking on the beach. I adore Sana. I adore Sana. She is such a nice girl. She is such a nice girl. My favorite movie is Titanic. My favorite movie is Titanic.